to study the nutrition in unicellular, what it mean in amoeba or in human, but the steps remain same. न्यूट्रिशन हम किसी में भी अगर पढ़ेंगे, चाहे वो हम यूनिसेलुलर में पढ़ें अमीबा के अंदर, चाहे हम मल्टीसेलुलर में पढ़ें इन ह्यूमन, I have already told you that the steps will be follow the same. So we have already studied the nutrition in amoeba in last class. I have told you that how the amoeba is going to process this nutrition. Now today I am going to discuss about the nutrition in human. That is a very important topic, and so many times questions has come in board classes, nutrition in human, and little conceptual, so be careful about it. When we are talking about the nutrition in human, first of all you should know which mode of nutrition found in human. So we all are aware that human are heterotrophic. Human means we all people are heterotrophic in nature, and I have told you in last class that there are various kind of heterotrophic mode of nutrition found. So in human a specific kind of heterotrophic nutrition found, that is holozoic. That is holozoic mode of nutrition. And in that class I have also told you what is holozoic mode of nutrition. लास्ट क्लास में मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ होलोजोइक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन होता क्या है. जो प्रेजेंट नहीं थे वो फिर से सुन लीजिए. ऐसा मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन जिसमें हम खाने को डायरेक्टली मुंह में रख रहे हैं और उसका डाइजेशन कहाँ हो रहा है, इनसाइड द बॉडी. सो व्हाट हैपेंड इन ह्यूमन एज वेल. हम लोगों में क्या होता है, वी जस्ट गोइंग टू इनटेक द फूड ऑन माउथ एंड द फर्दर डाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस इनसाइड अवर बॉडी, इनसाइड द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. So here also, yes, tell me. It is not. So ask her to mute. Mute the mic. What is wrong? So in human, holozoic mode of nutrition found. Holozoic mode of nutrition का मतलब होता है खाना हमने मुंह में रखा और सारा का सारा डाइजेशन हमारे कहाँ हो रहा है, इंटरनली हो रहा है. Because we all are aware that in human specific type of system found for the nutrition process, and that system is the digestive system. Specific type of system found for nutrition, and that system is digestive system, or you can say alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. So I think in last class we have already discussed about the alimentary canal or not? Anybody can tell me? No. So again I am going to tell you about the digestive system and alimentary canal, because before starting the nutrition in human, first of all you will aware about the digestive system. And in previous class, in 7th 8th class also you have discussed about the digestive system. It is not new for us, still I am going to tell you. Mute it. When I am talking about the digestive system, it is made up of two things. The one is organs found in digestive systems, and another one glands. So digestive system is made up of two parts, organs as well as glands. So we all are aware what are the organs are found in digestive system. So when we are talking about the organs of digestive system, the first organ is mouth. That is also known as buccal cavity. Now mouth is continue with the food pipe. Yes, tell me. रजत, अगर ये लोग नहीं समझ पाएंगे, it will be. So what are the organs that are found in digestive system? The first is mouth or buccal cavity. Second one is food pipe, or the second name of food pipe is esophagus. It is not new for you. Still, I am going to remind you the things. पहले भी आप पढ़ चुके हैं छोटे क्लासेस में, फिर से मैं रिमाइंड करा रही हूँ. सो माउथ, बक्कल कैविटी कंटिन्यू विद द फूड पाइप, esophagus. Then esophagus is continue with stomach.